Welcome to my bar. Now I know a lot of you have been following that I'm making my own gin at home. That's true. I've reached that level of the roaring 20s that I am definitely making my own gin without the bathtub. So this is the moment of truth. I am so excited. So I just sieved this with all of our herbs and spices in there. Now get this, I had no idea. Gin is essentially flavored vodka. I know. So you have to start out with a neutral alcohol, which is a grain or a potato starch alcohol. Vodka is the perfect place to start. Juniper berries is the main ingredient that gives gin that amazing, spicy, delicious, citrusy aroma. The step is called macerating, when you put in the juniper berries and let them steep in there for 24 hours. And after that, I worked with an array of amazing spices like cardamom pods, lavender, orange peel, hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus flowers is really what gave this beautiful pink color. Okay, let's try it, okay? Cheers! Wow! Oh, oh my God! This is actually really good. This is delicious. It's floral, it's light, it doesn't have that bite. And it definitely does not taste like vodka. That's absolutely for sure. This is very much gin. Oh my God, this is delicious. And the most perfect thing to do with a really good gin is to keep it simple, not to destroy it. So we're gonna make an amazing little gin and tonic. All I do, keep it simple, 1 part gin, 2 parts tonic, a little bit of lime juice, a little rosemary, boom, that's it. So here I go, just a little stir. And leave that beauty in there. Oh, it's so pretty. A little sunset in a glass. How about that? It's gorgeous. Look at it.